The numbers are positive. The chief medical officer of health says community spread numbers in particular are coming down and appear to be in the 140 to 160 range. That's good news. He says by this weekend, he may even consider recommendations on stage 1 of opening up the economy. But some confusion arose today when Premier Ford revealed he had his 4 daughters for Mother's Day dinner last night. 2 of them don't live at home. And that is against the province's distancing rules. The issue came up when I asked him about family bubbles. Newfoundland, for example, says households can spend time with one other household, but we don't have that rule here.
Hopefully it's coming sooner because we see the numbers going down, but I really trust the judgment of the people of Ontario. If you have an elderly mother or father and their health isn't great, I wouldn't chance it. I'll give you an example at our home. We have the girls, and the girls came over. There was 6 of us, a direct family. None of the husband, boyfriends, no one came, just themselves. And I think if we can keep it to as small as possible gatherings, that would be very helpful.
Opposition leader Andrea Horwath said there are some mixed messages out there.
Health experts are still advising that we stay 2 meters distance and maintain only contact with your immediate household. Then that's what people should be doing. The Premier made his own choices on the weekend. I had a lovely Mother's Day with my son at home, and again, I get it that people are really desperate for that close contact with their loved ones, but what we want to avoid is a re-spreading of the disease.
Now, the chief medical officer of health was asked about it a number of times today. He says it is still the recommendations to limit close contact to the people in your household.
Our messaging all along has been we've asked everyone to do their part on the physical distancing. Our messaging is still the same, and we're asking people to hold the fort for now, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.
Dr. Williams did add that he had family over on his front porch, and he recommends if you do have people over that you all stay 6 feet apart. We don't know if the Premier's family maintained a distance. Now, some other news for you. The legislature resumes tomorrow when the state of emergency will be extended until early June. And an announcement about childcare centres or whether school will resume will be held next week. And some grim economic numbers. The province's budget's watchdog is projecting a $41 billion deficit. That's double what the Ford government forecast in the March mini budget.